Good morning, student. In this chapter, I am going to start chapter 14, The Great Indians, which I have already explained in my live class, but today I am giving you a very short explanation about this chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss about the some great Indians. The first one is the Sushrut and the Charak. So, who was the Sushrut and who was the Charak? The Sushrut was a surgeon and the Charak was a physician in the ancient age. And the Sushrut Samhita is written by the Sushrut and the Charak Samhita is written by Charak. Sushrut is called the father of plastic surgery because he was a very expert in removing stone from kidneys and the bladder and treating fractures and performing eye operation to remove cataract. So he was called a father of plastic surgery, and he also knew about the most of medicinal plant for treating diseases. And what about Charak? Charak knew many medicinal plants and described the treatment of many diseases and the diagnosis, and he described the detail of food passage and means digestive system and the hygiene, and he listed the most of responsibility of the doctor, that how a doctor should treat his patient. Now the next one is the Tansen. Tansen was a greatest singer and musician on the time, and he was one of the 9 gems. We call them Navratna of the court of Mughal Emperor Akbar. It is said Tansen originally belonged to Gwalior from MP, and when he was young, he was a great singer and very impressed by the great musician Swami Haridas, and he was the teacher of Tansen. Tansen developed a very new style of new ragas to combine the Indian and the Persian style, and he composed many ragas, and there are two main ragas, the Rag Malhar and the Rag Deepak, were very famous of his ragas. इट सेट कि जब वो राग दीपक गाते थे तो उस समय के जो रॉयल कोर्ट था उसके जितने दिया थे वो अपने आप ही लाइट अप हो जाते थे. एंड व्हेन ही सैंग राग मल्हार, इट बिलीव्ड कि जब वो राग मल्हार गाते थे तो वो क्या होता था कि सडनली रेनफॉल स्टार्ट हो जाता था. तो मीन्स ऐसा कहा जाता है कि उनके सॉन्ग में कितनी पावर थी. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर? Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet, writer, musician and philosopher, and he was belonged to Calcutta, and he born in the 1861. He wrote a very first poem, Bun Fool, when he was 15 years old only, and after that this Bun Fool, his first poem, published in the magazine. He was very interested in folk music of West Bengal, and our national anthem Jan Gan Man was also composed by the Rabindranath Tagore, and he wrote a book called Geetanjali, and for this book he awarded a Nobel Prize for literature in 1913, and he also got honored by the British government for Jallianwala Bagh. Tagore was a great educationist because he founded a school, Shanti Niketan, in West Bengal. Now this is called as Vishwa Bharati. Now the next topic is the Kalidas. So who was Kalidas? Nobody knows about the real fact for the Kalidas. So what he was situated in the before 2000 years ago or 15 years ago. But he was a great poet and the dramatist also, and the main thing is that he wrote all his drama and all his poetry in Sanskrit. He wrote a many long poem called Mahakavya, and Raghuvansh Kumar Sambhav and Meghdoot was the famous poems, and Abhigyan Shakuntalam was a great play of Kalidas. Now the next is the Kabir. Kabir was a great social reformer and the poet, और उनको he was very respected people of India, एंड उनके बारे में भी बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं थी कि वे व्हाट ही वाज एक्चुअली में ही वाज वेरी फेमस सोशल एजुकेशनिस्ट एंड उनके बारे में ये कहा जाता था कि उनको भी हिंदी लिटरेचर की बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज है. सो ही वॉज कॉल्ड एज द फादर ऑफ हिंदी लिटरेचर. He composed thousands of dohas and the couplets, and through his poems or through his dohas, he wanted to show that the Ram and the Rahim is the same, and there is only one God. And he made fun of those people who pretended to be religious and who had not a real love in their hearts. Now the next one is Ashoka. Ashoka was a very great emperor, and he followed the Buddhism, and he was a वेरी ग्रेट एम्परर. एंड उन्होंने भी बहुत एनिमल्स के लिए, लोगों के लिए, उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए बहुत सारे शेड्स बनवाए और बहुत सारे वेल डिग करवाए. एंड मोर ओवर उन्होंने बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल भी खुलवाए थे. एंड द लास्ट वन इज सर C.V. Raman. The full name of C.V. Raman is Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, and he was a great scientist of India, and he was belonged from Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu, and he born in 7th November 1888, and he worked. He has a keen interest in the science subject, and the favorite subject of his the mathematics and the physics, and he discovered the many things about the light. उन्होंने बहुत लाइट के बारे में बहुत रिसर्च भी करी. and he explained us कि when the light passes through the water what happens. सो जो रेज़ निकलती हैं उनको उन्हीं के नाम से जो डिस्कवर उन्होंने किया, तो उन्हीं के नाम से उसका नेम रखा गया था रमन लाइट्स. एंड आफ्टर जब उन्होंने बहुत सारा इतना वर्क किया, ही गॉट सक्सीड एंड ही गॉट द नोबल प्राइज़ फॉर दैट, and he got died after all these things. And these are some great Indian of our country. Thank you.